god, are you really that mad? Look at him! If you guys have a 9 to 5, you probably know this feeling. You get out of a long 9 to 5, 8-hour shift. You're super drained, you're super tired, but your day's not over yet. You actually want to do stuff that you care about. For me, it's the gym, it's cars, doing car content, and honestly, it's just trying to build something outside of my 9 to 5 life. Some 5 to 9 runs go really well, but just today, it just went like all bad. As you guys can see, I'm in my work uniform right now, or my clothes technically. I'm just gonna have like a little vlog about my 5 to 9 after my 9 to 5. So what's up next is that I'm going to the gym. It's already like around 5:30, so I should be there for like around an hour and a half. But afterwards, I'm gonna film like a little bit of short form content, just kind of take you guys behind the scenes. Right now, I've been on the streak with IG. I just posted like a couple videos. They're getting like really good traction and engagement, and I just been getting a lot of like followers as of lately on Instagram. You know, I try to post every single day, but it's kind of hard having like a full-time job and doing that. Afterwards, I brought my camera. I'm gonna be taking pictures of some merch that I am sponsored with. They're called City of Demons. They have pretty cool shirts. Honestly, the vibe they give is kind of like dark sports in a way. I like their oversized tees, it fits nice. I like their t-shirts, you know, since it's car inspired. Yeah, time to get a little quick POV in the M3 bagged. I'm just really excited to start driving this car. Not too long ago, I pawned some spacers, so I really cleaned up the fitment. I'm running a 15mm in the front and 12mm in the rear. But if you guys don't know, my name is Xander. I'm your friendly neighborhood corporate accountant. The reason why I kind of make these videos is just to give, you know, just kind of like another set of eyes. What's it like to be like a normal guy coming out of his corporate 9 to 5, you know, climbing the ladder and everything, and just kind of like going on with his day. Got a railroad. Let's raise this up a little bit. Oh yeah, that's not bad. But yeah, guys, I'm just so like curious, like how many of you guys are, you know, kind of chasing like content, like a content creating career, like as part of like their 9 to 5. It's honestly super hard for me to find time, you know, and also motivation just to make these short form content or like content in general after my 9 to 5, because usually I'm like, oh, I gotta hit the gym, I gotta relax, you know, go on with my day. But honestly, we are in our primes, guys, you know, early 20s, mid 20s, even to like early 30s. We're still in our prime. We still have a lot of energy, highly motivated. We can get stuff done. So why not, like, you know, dedicate a majority of my earlier life, you know, kind of grinding it out. If you guys care, this is my G80 M3. It's a 2026 xDrive. It has bags. I'm riding low. Has a Midpipe as well. Upcoming mods for this car that I'm really excited is a steering wheel. I'm getting the cool little LED lights up here. That should be pretty cool. I'm still gonna keep the leather. I don't think I'm gonna go Alcantara. I am gonna miss the M stitching though. But honestly, I'm just doing it just to, you know, I never had, like, I'm basically living out the life that I couldn't ever afford when I had my BRZ. Like, yes, I had my BRZ, it was slammed, it was on wheels, but I never got to had the chance to like have bags on that car. I never had the chance to switch out the steering wheel. I was so close to switching out the steering wheel, but then I got into an accident. Like, that was like the next mod I was gonna purchase to like finish out the interior. You guys are based in the SoCal area. Basically, this is the Gold Gym in Rancho Cucamonga. I work super close by, so, you know, I'm gonna look like a nerd a little bit, but I'm gonna, you know, have a semi-drip once I get in. And you need some sunglasses, you see that? He was like, this insane freaking parking spot at Rancho Cucamonga. No way. Here's the whip. Here's the fitment. There is a like purple M2 over here. Damn, look at this M2 purple. So nice. Put the toe strap in there. Alright, see you guys. At this point in time, I just finished up my workout, did some cardio, did some biceps, did some pull workouts. Finding enough energy after work is like super hard for me. I try to not drink too much energy drinks after work, like after 12 p.m.-ish. Honestly, this is the best time to decompress after a long day of work. For me, I sit a lot, so I have to get active or else I'm gonna be a fat chud. But if you guys are working a 9 to 5, what do you do straight after you get off work? Let me know. Sucks for the day to get really gloomy pretty fast. Like, look at that, guys. Oh my god. That is tragic. What is happening here? That is crazy. Yeah, it is getting to that type of season, guys, where the sun starts setting down super early. It's only 7 or 6:45 and like the sun is going down. Depressing, guys. I'm gonna be going to work when it's like barely sun up. Then I'm gonna be going like home when it's like completely dark. Depressing times, depressing time. It says 2 hands, corn dog. What you mean by that, bruh? Found this parking spot. I got the shirt that I want to take photos of. Probably lay it down like this. Maybe if I move it on the other side, it would be a lot better. Probably like right here. Let me just move to like a different part of this parking lot. So maybe I'll get like better angles or whatever elsewhere. Okay, took a massive L, guys. I'm just gonna head over to where I live. Hopefully there's like a parking lot I can like park near to. For sure, like when I get a fresh wash, I'm gonna take some photos in this car. This part of the freeway kind of sucks. Like there's this Tesla just like, look, just hogging up the lanes. Plan, guys. I think I can make it out to this warehouse, but just to take like a little car edit and make my short form content. I'm not trying to make this L, guys. I'm not trying to take it, bro. I'm trying to get a dub for today. During this part of the day, I was kind of like super tired, but honestly, this guy was freaking tripping. What the fuck are you doing, bro? Oh my god, are you really that mad? Holy shit. Holy shit, are you really that mad with your fucking life, bro? I'm gonna admit it, yes, I am an asshole. I am a BMW driver, it's in my soul. This guy did not want to let me in his freaking lane. But bro was straight up tripping this whole time. As you guys can see, I had to slow down because there's this dip on this street, but he was just gunning it straight through, ripped to his suspension. But afterwards, you know, I was kind of heated. I was like, all right. I was like really low in energy too. I'm on like a huge deficit, so I'm kind of blaming my deficit for making me a little grouchy. But yeah, I was like chasing him, like, you know, I wasn't flashing my lights or anything. I was just like tailing him, just being an asshole. As you guys can see, he's just completely breaking the law, going around everyone. No regard for human safety. Looking back at my decisions, I should just let it go, but honestly, I was just in the heat of the moment. But if this ever happens to you guys, don't do what I did. Just like let it go, just be peaceful, stuff like that. Yeah, bro was straight pussy. Oh my god, hurry up! Half the people in this fucking area fucking suck. If you guys liked the video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.